Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix the GCash error saying this feature does not support Android version 4.4 and lower in 2025. If your GCash app is not working because of this message, don't worry, I will got you covered. Let's get started. See, this is the problem. This feature does not support Android. Okay, how to fix it? First, open your phone settings and scroll down and click on the apps option, and now search here GCash app. See, click on the GCash app and now click on the force stops and click on the OK. Scroll down and click on the storage option and click on the clear cache and click on the clear data. Click on the delete option. OK, back, and now click on the permissions option and allow all permission. Now click on the camera, allow, and contacts, allow, and location, allow, microphone, allow, music and audio, allow, nearby device, allow, click on the notification option, allow, photos and videos, allow, physical activity, allow. OK, back, and second step, go to Play Store and now search here GCash app and check update your GCash app. My GCash app already updated. OK, back. Now click on the restart to phone and reopen it again your phone. OK, and now open your GCash app, and I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.